Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to resize any page or design in Canva, super simple and beginner friendly. Let's get started. Step 1. First, log into Canva and open the design you want to resize. Step 2. At the top left of your screen, click the Resize button. Note, this feature is available for Canva Pro users. Step 3. You can enter custom dimensions in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Or you can choose a preset size like Instagram post, a 4, YouTube thumbnail, etc. Step 4. Click Resize to change the current project size, or click Copy and Resize to duplicate it in the new size. Bonus tip. Make sure to check your layout after resizing. Some elements might shift slightly and may need adjusting. And that's how you resize a page in Canva. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple design tips. See you next time!